What's going on? Schmitty Garage here, working on the old 97 Grand Cherokee. Detailed the interior, vacuumed the floors, worked on someone's Lincoln MKC. But anyway, going to be welding the exhaust. It was kind of making some funny noises. I took the belt off trying to find a pulley issue. Couldn't quite find it. One of the pulleys are making some noise, but we're just using this titanium welder and gonna do some touch-ups on the exhaust. So, as you can see, it's leaking from right there, along with some various other spots down here. So I'm gonna fill it in. Yeah. Now, these wire feed welders are awesome. Find a good spot. All right, good enough. Yeah. I know it ain't pretty, but I'm just trying to fill in the gap. Alright, anyway, this is really hard to do with one-handed. I know she ain't pretty, but it's rusty metal. Trying to fill in the gap. I'm gonna go back over it with two hands. So yeah, fun little project. Trying to keep this old Jeep up and running. New cars are too expensive and clown companies don't pay enough. The CEOs make way too much money. So luckily I found ways to cut costs to survive in this world. Yeah, if you ever want to just, get ahead in life, buy a used car and fix it up. So have a good one. Peace.